1, 2, 3, 4, 27, 28, 29, 57, 58, 59, 60, 83, 84, 85, 86, 88, 139, 140, 141. 141 steps to get to the grocery store. Phew! I went out to buy some groceries because I had a really unhealthy day yesterday, so I figured I would buy some cucumbers, some tomatoes, some peppers and make a real healthy lunch when I get back to my Airbnb. And then on my way from the grocery store I stopped at the local restaurant and had a pide, which is sort of a weirdly, oddly shaped pizza. This is adding insult to injury. It's the steepest stairs so far, and they're right at the end before me getting to my apartment. And also slippery. And this is me right up here. This vlog is going to be really short. I had made up some plans with Maya to go out and see some of the sights here in Istanbul this evening, but since it's been raining all day, I wasn't sure that we actually were gonna do something, but she just got in touch with me and said she wants to give it a go, so I'm gonna drop everything I have and go to the Taksim tram station and make my way up to her neighborhood, pick her up, and then we will go out and do something here in Istanbul, probably Sultanahmet again, where we will see the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sofia. And then we'll see where the evening is gonna take us, but I am not gonna be filming much of the evening anyway, so tomorrow hopefully the weather is better and I will be able to go out exploring during the day, so there will be more content then. This place is absolutely massive, it's huge. Just as impressed as I was the first time.